Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you want to generate an image like this just in a one click, then I will show you in my mobile screen how to generate this type of images. So to generate this type of image, you need to upload your image. You need to paste a prompt and you can see how the image is generated. Okay, in same way, the standing position. In this way you can generate the image using Gemini. If you want the prompt, you can go to my Instagram, it's same high tech talk, and you can comment as a prompt in this post. You will get the prompt in your Instagram DM. But the simplest way is you can visit my Telegram channel, the same high tech talk, and directly you can copy and use it, copy and you can paste it in a Gemini. So all those trending prompt you can find everything here which is going viral, this FIFA World Cup, mirror selfie, underground water, all those prompts you will find out here. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.